Hi, welcome to my new channel, My Woodworking World. I'm Paul, I'm here and I'm learning as I go with woodworking, and at the moment I'm making some snowflakes, and I've made various things as I go. As you can see on my website, I've done lots of projects. I am a hobbyist. I am not a professional woodworker. I'm learning. It's going to take time, and this is my shop. So I hope to make project videos very soon. So this is just an introduction to say hello. So as I said, I'm making some snowflakes at the moment, inspired by Steve Ramsey of Woodworking for Mere Mortals. I've been inspired quite a lot by the woodworking community on YouTube, and it's a great place to be. So I hope to make some better videos than this. So this is the first one, as you probably guessed. So hope to see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.